Firstly, let's take 2 cups of wheat flour to make the dough. Commonly called as atta. Add in salt as required. Mix the flour with the salt as shown. Once mixed, add in some lukewarm water very slowly. Mix thoroughly to form a dough, just like how you make the chapati dough. Sure to add slowly the lukewarm water so that the consistency we get in the end is right. Dough is finally forming as seen. Keep on mixing. The dough has been formed as shown like this. Keep it aside for at least a minimum of half an hour. So now the dough has been kept aside. Let's start preparation for the filling. For that, I'm adding around some coconut oil and chunks of garlic. For the cloves minced, you can even add ginger garlic paste, but I would like to get the chunks of them in the filling. That's why I'm adding both ginger and garlic separately. Saute the ginger and garlic till it becomes slightly brown. They have become brown. Let's add in some onions. Add in salt as required. Keep on mixing till it becomes slightly brown. Onion, ginger, garlic mix is ready. You could see it's become really brown. Now it's time for adding masalas. Add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Keep sauteing in order to get all the masalas mixed. Add in sliced tomatoes. Add in 2 small green chilies and 1 stalk of curry leaves. You can avoid the green chilies if you are not fond of spiciness. Keep on stirring until the tomatoes are cooked. Our filling is cooked. Now let's keep it aside. Now let's take the dough and make it into medium-sized balls as shown. Now let's start to roll out as shown here. We have taken wheat flour because it's more healthier compared to maida, and of course having a bit more nutrition. Roll around 4 medium-sized balls. After we have rolled out around 4 of them, start applying butter on one of it as shown here. And add in the wheat flour. and then put the second one on top of it, and again apply butter and flour. Repeat the process as shown. Add around 4 layers on top as shown in order to get the thickness. Roll out and just do the procedures as shown. More number of layers, the more the better. You can even keep 5 or around 6 layers on top, so that when the puffs are formed you could get visible layers. Keep on rolling out all the edges and corners. Cut out the edges as shown. Cut in the center. Cut twice horizontally. Take a piece and add in the filling. I have added around half of a boiled egg. You can completely omit it if you are a pure vegetarian. Just add the filling and close as shown. Make sure to close as shown so that the filling doesn't get out when we cook it. Apply butter on top of each puffs. I have also added some black sesame seeds on the bottom part as shown. If you don't like it, you can avoid. Heat the pan and add in around 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the puffs as shown to cook. Let's cover it and cook it for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Flip over after 10 minutes. Cook all the sides until it has turned brown. See how great our wheat bakery style puffs have come out. It's a healthier option when compared to maida. Do let us know your reviews in our comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.